Cut everything out from the inside. Even cut the top piece off in the center. So now this fits in. All right, so here we got it. So radiator's on. 4 zip ties across, cut out the whole front. Hose is gonna come out from here and the tank. Teed in through here. Suck in, spit out. Drilled some holes here and here. Go down there, through here, through the side of the car, and in here. Here I got the coolant pump zip tied. Nice and neat, you'll never see and know it's there. All right, so she is done. She is completed. Here we go. Suction through here. Right in through here, Dad. Right there. It's like a turbo. Spits it out. 90. Did some holes right here for it. It's plastic. The pump is zip tied right under there with the connector there. Pours into the over there, and then it's gravity fed to the bottom, and then suction through there into this hose, and it's gonna go to here. Just gotta wire up the pump to the positive terminal right here, and then the ground, which is here, and she'll be good to go.